A senior figure in South Africa's military intelligence is now at the center of a shocking corruption case. Johannes Prince Mkhabela, a brigadier general in South African National Defence Force, has been arrested following an alleged 1.5 million rand bribery scheme aimed at making a criminal case disappear. According to the National Prosecuting Authority, the plan unfolded over several days in February 2026. His secretary, Joshua Thembi Hlungwane, allegedly initiated contact with the investigating officer, offering money to stop the case from proceeding. His legal representative, Manik Mulaudzi, allegedly followed up, asking how much it would cost to make the case disappear completely. Days later, Mkhabela himself allegedly paid 50,000 rands in cash as a deposit, promising the rest by September 2026. But what he didn't know, authorities were already watching. He was arrested immediately after the payment by a task team linked to the Madlanga Commission. While his co-accused have been granted bail, Mkhabela remains behind bars, with the state arguing he's a serious risk due to a pending intimidation case. The court is expected to deliver a crucial bail decision on the 23rd of February 2026 at the Pretoria Magistrate Court. This is a developing story. All information is based on current court proceedings and reports. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Ciao.